Okay, I'm gonna open the Temu order. It has been a minute, and I can't remember what I got. So let's see what we got. There we go. Oh Lord. Oh Lord. Oh my goodness. Well, this is gonna crack you up. Alright? This is gonna crack you up. Look. I got a little nest. Couple eggs. And a little chicken. Here's my chicken farm. Here's my chicken farm, Steven. There's Steven over here on my TV. So, I got me some chickens. We're good. If those aren't the cutest little chickens. There you go. Little tiny chickens. Okay. Okay, Steven. Okay. I got another one of those pretty barrettes. I could open it. I can't. Okay. Never mind. At least you can see them. Okay. Okay, these stones right here, I'm going to lay them out. A little pathway of, these are supposed to glow in the dark. A little rainbow pathway. Rainbows. Rainbows. Rainbow pathway. Alright. I got this little panda bear you put in your pocket. And I got this infinity bracelet for my sister. For her birthday, and I got one for my other sister because it's going to be her birthday. Another barrette. Another barrette. What's this do? Oh, this is a bag of little... I was going to try... I'm going to try to make some flowers like Rachel does. We'll glue some flowers onto something, and they're tiny. Tiny little purple roses. Alright, there's those. These are little scrubby things for the kitchen pans and stuff. I got some false eyelashes. This is supposed to be a little tiny solar truck. The tiniest solar car they have, they say. So we'll see. We'll see. What in the world? Oh, it is. Oh my goodness. Look, little tiny things like you get out of the machines with little swan, little bunny. A hamburger. Okay. Well, we can't see this guy. Okay. You get the drift. Those are my farm animals, I guess. We got chicken, we got farm animals. This is what you do when you live in the city. What you do when you live in the city. No idea what these are. No idea. Definitely for my granddaughter. My granddaughter. What in the heck are these? Oh my gosh, they sent me these paper rolls for a little tiny printer that I didn't even order. Oh, for heaven's sakes. Yeah, those things were like $15. And some two-sided tape. So there you have it. Everybody needs a roll of tiny little printing paper, right? Okay, thanks for watching.